Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm back. Tonight is a big night for a couple of different reasons, and so I'm just going to get into the couple of things we're doing tonight. So the first thing that we're going to do is we have big little reveal tonight. So I am getting my little, her name is Brooke. She's been on this channel before. She has no idea it's me. In fact, I've even texted her to tell her, hey, I'm sorry, I'm not your big. You might have requested me, but I'm not. We have these matching shirts, so this is how she's gonna figure out who I am. And then I'm going to my friend Devon's with my friend Jill so we can make some Purim cookies and celebrate a Jewish holiday. My friend Jill isn't really with her family, but she still wants to celebrate. And so she's gonna teach us a little bit about it, and we're gonna make some good cookies and possibly get a little bit of work done. Also, in addition, today is my 2-year anniversary, and Ben sent me these beautiful flowers today, and I just wanted to showcase them because they're stunning. Go to staff meeting first, and then we're gonna go surprise Brooke. Let's get it. While I'm walking down to staff meeting, I wanted to show my board of this month because I thought it was nice and I liked it. All right, so we're on our way to reveal now. I'm with Emily and Brooke, 2 of my residents. You've met Brooke briefly.
I'm famous because of that. People ask me about it now. I'm not ready for the clout.
Do they?
Yes, but only one person.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait a second.
I love you.
So here we go, on our way. So what are we doing tonight?
Reveal, baby!
Reveal, baby, and then?
And then cookies.
I think for me, my biggest go-to mental health thing is just reading. I like to read when I can, but my favorite thing is to think about my favorite book from my childhood or something like that.
How do you feel?
Hey, I feel pretty good. No, this is our little puzzle piece. So Brooke has the other half. The camera knows it's Brooke, by the way. This is no surprise to the person watching.
Perfect.
So puzzle piece, Brooke has the other half. We both have this t-shirt on though, so I'm pretty sure it's more obvious like through that who I am. But like, it's fine. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hey, are you taking a little today?
I'm not taking a little.
Me either.
You're not either?
No.
Wow. Yeah, it just felt like a lot for a second semester.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
I didn't want to take a new one.
Are you trying to at me right now?
Are you taking a little?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
This just stopped recording.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
You go like that?
Oh. Sorry. How do you feel moments before reveal?
I feel great.
Oh my god, here we go.
Oh my god, I don't know why I'm nervous.
Hi! Nice to meet you! Want to be with me. All the guys I don't want to be with want to be with me. My cousin.
Who are the guys you don't want to be with?
My cousin.
What happened? What happened?
My cousin messaged me on Facebook and said, hey, what's up? I think you're cute. I responded, hey cousin, LOL, trying to stop the conversation. And he goes, what? Question mark? And I said, you're my cousin. I'm Dan's daughter. Dan is his uncle. And he's like, oh, LOL, sorry. Who's Dan? What do you mean?
Jersey's on everyone's bad side, so.
Okay, all right, Pennsylvania, let's relax.
I hate my life.
Hey, at least we're making cookies.
And I had Chipotle.
So as I said earlier, we're celebrating Purim, which is Jewish Halloween. So I am currently wearing the Rough Ruffman costume because Jill is the only one who had costumes for us to wear. I'm Rough Ruffman. I've also got Pikachu.
Here I am, Pikachu, ready to go. Happy Purim.
Purim?
Purim.
I'm a
Purim.
dainty lady, I guess. I just have a hat.
Her costume.
Should we say this is like Heather Goodman?
No, Heather's not cool enough to wear it. Cool.
Oh!
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh! So we're making Purim cookies. Oh, it smells so nice in here.
In a whip.
We're talking about our perfect dates, not for any reason. That's what girls talk about. Girl time.
Girl time.
Okay, perfect date. Go.
Okay, brunch somewhere with good bagels, and then like a little walk somewhere.
Preferably.
Preferably the waterfront in Charleston, which hopefully that's where I'm moving next year, TBD. And just like a nice little stroll where we get, you know, lost in conversation for an hour, so I can't wait.
End the night.
Either like a jazz bar or like even somewhere where we can just drink tea. I'm a simple gal. I just,
Mine would be going to the beach and having a picnic, but it's the time of year where it's not too cold, but it's not too hot, so it's not packed, but you know, having a picnic and then like drinking on the beach, whatever, like, and then also like walking around, picking up rocks and shells, and just like walking up and down the beach, and yeah.
Aw, I'm crying.
And like if he brought me flowers or like a cactus, like I wouldn't complain.
I don't need a man.
love
I just
that.
need a cute date.
Yeah, there's no man requirement. Just doing this.
Yeah, Peyton, why don't you
Oh my
take
God,
me?
wait. Video idea. We do all of our perfect dates.
Yeah, let's do it. We're
Yo.
gonna be
Famous. Walk the Charleston Water.
Okay.
and find a jazz bar.
I think there are jazz bars somewhere.
No, it's what's the first thing that comes to mind. That's your perfect
Just
date.
like perfect date. Okay, I would say my perfect date is sleeping in. I do not want to wake up early.
Sure.
But I would want to go to the gym to start the day. And
With
then like
the mans?
with the mans. And then like here's the thing, then we'd go like have a nice meal. Like I'd want to go to Barrio and I'd want to like eat my body weight in tacos. And then like some kind of activity. Like I'm thinking either a dance class or like a paint and wine class or like something where it's like a little fun but you're also like learning a little bit.
Yeah.
I think that's fun.
Right.
We've got 3 perfect dates that we have to do. We'll probably make it happen.
What is going on?
No problem.
Before we show the cookie, Jill, so this is what they're supposed to look like.
Yeah.
What happened? I hope they at least taste good.
This is phenomenal.
She's lying to you.
No, have a bite, babe.
She doesn't like jam. I like jam. Give me a bite of jam.
It's delicious, really. And it's nice and hot, but not too hot. According to me. Peyton can't handle the heat.
It's very hot.
It's really good.
Very good.
This is honestly best fermentation I've ever made.
You've never made home indulgence.
Yes, I have. Thank you. 2 years ago.
Well, why does it look like this then?
To friendship.
Jill's literally destroying my kitchen.
You're welcome.
Good? To good stuff?
She's going. I think she's lying.
Yeah, I'm not quite certain.
I like it. I like it with the apricot. I'll try it with the chocolate later. I'll let you know. All right, we have gotten off the bus with our cookies, and now we are heading home for the night. Jill, any final thoughts on the evening?
I like my friends quite a bit.
Aww. Did the cookies come out good?
You know, they're not too pretty, but they're so delicious.
But we shouldn't have done as many chocolate.
No.
Devon chose the baby food.
Apricot jam all the way, baby.
Apricot jam, literally all the way.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my best friend, Peyton Taylor.